the rituals. Alright, so in today's video, got a new sneaker pickup. And these right here are the Air Max 90s. I got these to actually walk in. I know Nike has walking shoes, and this is more Nike has walking and running shoes, and this is more of a lifestyle shoe. But I kind of wanted both. I wanted a walking shoe that was actually a lifestyle shoe that I can actually wear with some clothes when I'm out and about, but still be comfortable on a nice, comfortable walk. So I resorted back to the 90s for these right here, and like I said, these are the Air Max 90s. This colorway, I mean, of course it looks black. I read to you the official description on the box. Right here are iron gray, white, dark smoke gray, which is kind of interesting because I actually thought it was black, you know, but that's what they look like. Here's the back. The tongue is super thick, actually comfortable, nice padding on that tongue. This right here is kind of a mesh material. Not really breathable though, because there's material underneath it, but super soft though, soft to touch. You got your traditional Nike Air on the back, got your Nike Air Max on the tongue. This right here is a size 10.5, which is my size, so I would recommend going true to size on these shoes. And yeah, just a dope shoe. So I figured I'd show you guys this shoe. Like I said, I've already worn it, but I got these shoes because I need to do some more walking outside. And like I said, definitely need a shoe that lifestyle, but also comfortable to walk in. So I kind of resorted back to my roots with these. So I'm gonna do an on foot for you guys, and then also walk the neighborhood for a little bit and give you guys my honest opinion of how comfortable these shoes are walking around. That being said, let's go to the on foot and then a quick walk outside. Alright, so let's go on to the walking portion and see how these shoes feel. So hopefully you guys can hear me. Got the microphone going here and everything. So we're just gonna walk the neighborhood in the sneakers. Hope you guys have a good day out there. So back to the shoe games, man. The shoes so far super comfortable. Like I said, these shoes are Air Max 90s, and I got them because I wanted some comfort, but I also wanted to feel, you know, like I can actually wear them with actual clothes, not just workout gear. So these are actually rather stylish, of course. Air Max 90s, everybody knows they're super popular shoes. Been around for what, 3 decades now? So have a great tradition. Originally meant for performance, but like I said, over the course of the years, more of a lifestyle shoe, but still had that performance aspect. And right now, going on a walk here and feel super comfortable. So I'm really happy with my purchase. Comfort level on a scale of 10, 1 to 10, 1 being the worst, of course, 10 being the ultimate comfort, I would have to say maybe like a 7.5 as far as the cushion, which isn't bad compared to Ultra Boost. I don't know the new Ultra Boost by Adidas, but you know, I probably should compare that because that's more of a performance shoe, even though most people use them for lifestyle as well now. But yeah, I probably shouldn't compare those two. But this one right here, as far as a lifestyle shoe, yeah, not bad at all. Walking really good in these. Nice. Don't feel no rubbing on the feet, anything like that. It's super hot out here in Arizona, so you know. And this is my first time using this camera right here as well. This camera right here is the DJI. So you guys tell me what y'all think about that. Guess we can throw that in here. So yeah, it's my first time using it. Hope you guys liking it. So let's turn this thing around, get back home. think did pretty good on the walk here. Got my Apple Watch on, so whew, man, I tell you, it gets really hot out here in Arizona, man. It's like, I think 100 degrees today. So days like this, won't be walking too much outside, you know. Looking forward to the fall and winter. But I tell you, back to the shoes. Shoes are very comfortable. No complaints here. Very happy with my purchase. I think these retail for $130. I'll put the screenshot somewhere in the video so you guys can see it if you guys are interested. I think I got these off of Nike.com website, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure you can get them other places. They're a pretty common shoe. They're not like an exclusive shoe or anything like that. Funny thing about this colorway though, I really thought this colorway was black, and it's actually a gray colorway. So, but it has black in it, and but I'm really happy with the shoe because it goes with everything. Like I said, not just me walking around in these shoes, but the ability to put these on with an actual outfit. So yeah, like I said, extremely happy with my purchase. If you guys would be so kind, make sure that you follow my Instagram account, which is @Rituals. That helps the channel out, helps it grow. Those likes help with the views, so I greatly appreciate that. If you guys want to see more sneaker reviews, yeah, definitely tune into the channel. I got some heat. You guys can see some stuff behind me right there. Oh yeah, I got some stuff that I gotta unbox for you guys and show you guys. So yeah, definitely want to be in tune with that. So please subscribe to the channel, and like I said, let's get this video to 1,000 likes. How about that?